Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Stefania Baska. You can call me Stephanie. I am from Management Tukas in School of Economics. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk. Today, I am going to give a presentation about the effect of technology to management accounting. The presentation will be two-part. First, I am going to talk about understanding of information technology and how the development of technology today. Second, I will discuss how does the effect of technology to management accounting. Please hold your question until I finish my presentation. First, I like to talk about understanding of information technology and how the development of technology today. What is meant by information technology? Information technology is a combination of computer technology and telecommunication with other technologies such as hardware, software, database, network technology, and other communication equipment. Furthermore, information technology is used in organizational information system to provide information in order to make decisions. The function of information technology. The function of technology in an organizational information system is to provide information for users for decision making. How does the development of information technology up to now? Information technology appears as a result of globalization in organizational life. Increasingly, first business competition. The shorter the life cycle of goods and services offered, and the increasing demands of consumer tastes and lifestyles on the products and services offered. To anticipate this, companies are looking for new breakthroughs by utilizing technology. By using this technology is expected to help in meeting consumer demand. Initially, information technology was used only limited to data processing. With the development of information technology, almost all organizational activities have now been entered by the application and automation of information technology. How does the effect of technology to management accounting? First, application of manufacturing integrated with computers. With computerized systems, computers are used to monitor and control various operations. With the use of computer, a large amount of useful information can be gathered and reported to managers immediately. This can increase the quantity and speed of information. First, availability of the necessary tools, such as the availability of personal computer, software, and graphic package that make it easy for users. With the use of these electronic tools, it will be able to help efficiency and improve production quality, as make innovative improvement continuously in all aspects so that the company can survive in a very tight competition, even enabling the company to become a leading company. I end my presentation by saying thank you for your attention. More or less sorry, I hope what I present is useful for all of us. Thank you.